Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect your XIAOMI 12T to the Wi-Fi network. And to do this you'll need to open Wi-Fi, and there's two ways you can access it. First one is to scroll down the toolbar, and right here you can see the Wi-Fi. Hold your finger onto it and you'll enter the Wi-Fi settings. Another way is to open the settings themselves. Then find the Wi-Fi, and here we have it. Now make sure that your Wi-Fi is enabled. Right here I'm connected to one of the Wi-Fis, but let's try connecting to another network. So click on the network you know the password for, and right here you can see the icons next to the names, and that indicates if the network is 5G and also if it's protected by a password. If it has this lock next to it, then it means it's locked by a password. And now click on the network that you want to connect to and enter the password. Then hit the connect and you should be connected to the Wi-Fi network. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.